Hello everyone, welcome back to Askhrhubplus. I'm Adobe, and today we're unpacking something important: inclusive risk assessments. Let me ask you, when was the last time you looked at a workplace risk assessment and thought, does this actually work for everyone here? If you've never thought about it, don't worry. That's why we're here. Let's talk about how you can make your risk assessments better for everyone, not just for the average employee. So risk assessments help identify and reduce hazards at work. We know that. But people aren't one size fits all. So your assessments shouldn't be either. Now here are 5 quick ways to make them more inclusive. Number 1, involve your people. Ask employees what's working and what isn't. Don't guess their needs. Include voices from different backgrounds, abilities, and roles. Tip 2. Think beyond stairs and ramps. Accessibility includes things like desk height, lighting, and fatigue. A minor change for you could be major for someone else. Tip 3. Consider mental health. Don't just assess physical risks. Look at stress, workload, and isolation. Mental well-being is just as important. Tip 4. Respect cultural and religious needs. Think prayer spaces, dietary needs, or flexible time off. Your workplace should work for everyone. Now, tip 5, communicate clearly. Use plain language, visuals, or translations if needed. Risk assessments only help if people understand them. Inclusive risk assessments create safer, more respectful workplaces. It's not about ticking boxes. It's about making sure everyone feels supported. Let me know, is your workplace doing this already, or are there gaps you've noticed? Drop a comment below, and if this helped, give it a like, share, and subscribe to Askhrhubplus. See you next time.